Popular social media activist Martins Vincent Otte, also known as VeryDarkMan (VDM), has launched a scathing critique of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, accusing his administration of failing to address the ongoing attacks by suspected herdsmen across the country. In a video shared on his Instagram page on Saturday, the outspoken activist condemned the government's silence on the killings, particularly in states like Benue and Edo, where recent attacks have left many dead. He expressed frustration over what he described as the authorities' unwillingness to confront the crisis head-on. VeryDarkMan lamented that despite repeated warnings, the violence persists while the media and government continue to turn a blind eye. He cited the recent attack in Uromi, Edo State, regretting that he had planned to visit the area before the tragedy unfolded. The activist also criticized the administration for prioritizing other security concerns, such as declaring a state of emergency in Rivers State, while allegedly neglecting the worsening insecurity caused by herdsmen.
Alright, so dear President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, today is your birthday, but I cannot wish you a happy birthday because you yourself don't wish your people well. Because if you wish your people well, you will understand that this whole herdsmen issue will slowly gain more strength, and very soon it might result to a religious war in Nigeria. Slowly, they don't burn some people now alive. Bayelsa own day, Ondo own day, Benue own every day, they stop. For how many years? It can't be as if government, they fear this whole herdsmen issue. It can't be as if government, they fear the matter. They don't want to talk about the topic. Now see where the thing don't they go. Next thing, it go turn religious war. Because see the northerners now, they say they are killing the Muslims. They don't carry them, they go there. And for some reason, the media no want to make this whole matter, make it even gain any attention.
Concluding his remarks, he urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and those in power to act decisively before the crisis takes an irreversible turn. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.